Dealing with angular leaf spot disease in your garden? Today, we've got you covered. In this comprehensive video, we'll explore both organic and chemical treatments to combat this stubborn fungal infection. Let's dive in. Before we jump into remedies, let's understand what angular leaf spot disease is. Angular leaf spot disease is a bacterial infection that affects plants, causing angular, water-soaked spots on their leaves. Organic remedies. Neem oil spray is a fantastic organic option. Dilute it as per the instructions and apply it generously to the affected plants. Neem oil not only fights fungal infections but also repels pests. Another organic option is baking soda solution. Mix baking soda with water and spray it on the infected leaves. This creates an alkaline environment that inhibits fungal growth. Now, let's talk about garlic spray. Crush garlic cloves, steep them in water overnight, and then strain the mixture. Garlic contains natural antifungal properties and acts as an insect repellent. Chemical treatments. Copper-based fungicides are highly effective against angular leaf spot disease. They work by disrupting fungal cell membranes, preventing further spread of the infection. Another chemical option is chlorothalonil. It's a broad-spectrum fungicide that provides excellent control of fungal diseases, including angular leaf spot. Follow the instructions carefully when using chemical treatments. While chemical treatments can offer quick and potent solutions, they may have environmental impacts and require careful handling. Always weigh the pros and cons before choosing chemical options. In conclusion, both organic and chemical treatments offer effective ways to combat angular leaf spot disease. Organic remedies are eco-friendly and safer for the environment, while chemical treatments provide fast and potent control. Consider your preferences, gardening philosophy, and environmental concerns when deciding which approach to take. Whichever method you choose, consistency and proper application are key to effectively managing angular leaf spot disease in your garden. Additionally, maintaining proper garden hygiene by removing and disposing of infected plant material can help prevent the spread of angular leaf spot. Thanks for joining us today as we explored both organic and chemical treatments for angular leaf spot disease. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more gardening tips. Until next time, happy gardening!